The most significant shift in the SoundBase ecosystem is moving your team away from static PDFs and version drift toward real-time collaboration. Just like a shared Google Doc, every frequency change, naming edit, or note you make is instantly updated across every device your team is using, whether they're on a laptop, tablet, or phone. We have built project chat and at mentions directly into the interface so that critical decisions, like a monitor engineer requesting a new spare frequency, stay attached to the project instead of getting lost in a group text. For stakeholders who don't need full software access, like stage managers or producers, you can generate a real-time site report. This is a unique read-only link that you can text to your crew or print as a QR code to tape onto the equipment racks. When you recalculate a frequency mid-rehearsal, that change is automatically reflected on their phone screens without you ever having to resend an email. This transparency creates a massive safety net for the team, ensuring that the assistant handing a mic to the talent is always looking at the most current coordination.